Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, teman-teman. Now, you will learn about muint. You will learn about material. The one is solid material, and then liquid material, and then the last is gas material. Okay, to know about this material, you have to watch this video. Jadi teman-teman, tonton videonya sampai akhir ya, agar teman-teman paham. Thank you teman-teman. Happy watching!
Characteristics of solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas are all made of matter. But have you noticed that they all look different? Not only that, when you touch them, they feel different. Because solid, liquid, and gas are different states of matter, that also means they have different characteristics. What do I mean by this? If you look at solid objects, they look very different from liquid and gas. When you look at them, they have color. They also have a certain size and shape. When you touch them, they have different textures and have varying hardness. Take this example. Puto. We can observe that it is color white, small, and is rounded. When you touch it, the texture is sticky, but it is soft. Another example, ruler. It's yellow, long, rectangular. When you touch it, it's smooth. When you press it, it's hard. Liquids have color, smell, and texture too, but they don't have their own shape. They always take the shape of whatever they're placed in. For example, slime. Everyone loves playing with slime, right? Slime can have different colors like purple, pink, or baby blue. They have smells. Some slimes smell different from other slimes. They also have texture. They're sticky, but they don't have their own shape. That's why when you put them in a square container, they just fill the square. But when you take them out, they're not square, right? Water is also a good example. When you go to the beach, you see all the seawater stretched before you. But when you take some seawater, for example, and put it in your sand bucket, it just fills the bucket and follows the bucket's shape. For example, if your bucket is shaped like a circle, the water is also shaped like a circle. But then when you toss the seawater on the sand, it's not a circle anymore. Gas, on the other hand, have no color, taste, or texture. The rare times you do see them, they don't have their own colors. You can't taste them, and they don't have texture either, since you can't hold them in your hands. Like liquids, they have no definite shape and only take the shape of whatever they're put into. Let's take a balloon, for example. When you pump air, which is a gas, into the balloon, it grows into this big circular shape. Not because that's the shape of the air, but because the balloon is expanding. When you put water into the balloon, since it doesn't have its own shape either, it is the same as the air-filled balloon. When you put air into a flat tire, you can see the tire being filled with air, but the tire still has the same shape. Once again, the different states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, have their own characteristics. Solid objects have color, size, shape, texture, and hardness. Liquids have color, smell, and texture. They don't have their own shape, they only take the shape of their container. Gas have no color, taste, texture, or own shape. They only take the shape of what they're put in. It's quiz time! Can you identify what states of matter these objects are in and what their characteristics are? Cookie, ketchup, oxygen. Let's answer.
Oke teman-teman, setelah teman-teman menonton video tadi, now teman-teman akan mencari tahu ya dari ketiga benda yang tadi disebutkan. Yang pertama adalah cookies atau biskuit, lalu yang kedua adalah kecap atau saus, dan yang terakhir adalah oksigen atau udara yang selama ini kita hirup untuk bernapas. Teman-teman nanti silahkan gambar ya di sketchbook teman-teman ketiga benda itu, dan jangan lupa tuliskan ya. Misalnya shape-nya, bentuknya seperti apa, lalu color-nya, warnanya bagaimana, Dan ukurannya, size-nya seperti apa? Kalau ada, teksturnya ya, permukaannya seperti apa? Apakah lengket, kasar, atau seperti apa? In English ya teman-teman. Oke, pasti bisa. Thank you teman-teman. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.